With the machine turned on, open the front door. Remove the toner cartridge drum unit assembly from the machine and place it on the paper in front of the machine. Press the green toner lock lever to unlock the toner cartridge from the drum. Grasp the toner cartridge handle and remove the toner cartridge from the drum. Recycle the used toner cartridge when possible. Remove the new toner from the packaging. Remove any protective covers, gently shaking the cartridge back and forth at least 6 times to loosen the contents. Install the new toner cartridge into the toner drum unit assembly. Make sure the cartridge is clicked into the lock position. Clean the corona wire inside the toner drum unit assembly by gently sliding the green corona cleaning tab left to right and right to left several times. Be sure to remove the corona cleaning tab to the home position. The arrow on the tab must be aligned with the arrow on the toner drum assembly unit. If not, prints may show a vertical line. Install the toner drum unit assembly back into the machine. Close the front door.